Talofa lava, my name is Bianca Seinafo. I'm a proud Samoan from Christchurch City. I work as an actress, a presenter, and also an acting coach. So I guess you could say that I'm in the business of storytelling. I vote because I think it's an important practice just to take ownership of having your say, taking ownership of your voice and your rights as a New Zealander. I think it's important that we vote because it's not every day that our voice and our opinions are of equal value to everyone else at the table. Regardless of colour, gender, how much money you got in the bank, one vote equals one vote for everybody. My advice for first-time voters would be to do some research, educate yourselves, just so that you're confident that the people you're voting for align with your values and your beliefs. With the 2020 election this year, I am going to focus on housing, mental health, and also prison reform, how they are looking after everybody in the community. And also climate change, because it's something that's affecting not only us in New Zealand, but us in the Pacific. I'll be keeping an extra eye out for that. For everyone out there, believe in the value and the importance of your vote. Represent not only for yourself, but for your grandparents that came to New Zealand to make a better life for yourselves. Enrol now and make sure you are fresh off the vote.